All right, then earlier this month, Kenyans were introduced to a new type of coffin, one that is biodegradable and that is actually made entirely of thick cardboard.
Now, the coffin known as Eco-Jeneza has been lauded as an innovation that will help reduce deforestation and in turn cushion against the devastating impacts of climate change.
Tonight on EcoScan, Salim Bilo reports on the concept of going green during burial ceremonies.
The consequences of global warming are as frightening as they are overwhelming, motivating many more people to go green and make as little use of the natural resources as possible. Still, the magnitude of the situation demands more, and so the search for eco-friendly living is now persisting until we breathe our last. This is how the East African packaging industries became the brains behind the introduction of an eco-friendly coffin into the Kenyan market. The innovation, made from heavy-duty recycled corrugated cardboard, allows those who are eco-conscious to pay tribute to the deceased and protect the environment. Eco-Jeneza, which can be custom decorated depending on taste, is finished from cardboard that is made of recycled paper, hence reducing solid waste in the country. First, the paper is shredded and channeled through a waste incinerator for recycling. This manufacturing process, which sees the paper corrugated thereafter, reportedly uses far less energy. The cardboard is then ironed and piled before it is used to assemble the coffin. The assembling takes about 10 minutes or less. The biodegradable coffin, which is lightweight, has received praise more so because it produces no toxic waste when placed on the ground.
It's going to decompose much faster in the soil. And two, it does not carry the toxins which the traditional wooden coffins carry. So you can imagine there will be the damage that would be caused to the soil will be preserved.
This low-cost carbon coffins priced between 2,500 and 10,000 Kenya shillings, depending on the size, are suitable for cremations as well. Seeing that ecological materials are used, the cremation process is faster.
You will be saving in terms of energy. The energy that you use in cremation. And then number two, the emissions, the pollution, whatever you'll be emitting to the air would be reduced also drastically.
Conventional burial practices are seen to be harmful to the earth. Between clearing land out to make burial sites, greenhouse gases due to cremation, trees cut down to make caskets, and embalming fluid which contains chemicals like methanol, ethanol and other solvents, death is not seen to be as natural as it should be.
The figures given as per now of the tree cover in this country is between 1.7 and 2%. The internationally agreed percentage is about 10%.
While cardboard coffins undoubtedly offer an environmentally friendly alternative, there is the other side of the coin, one that reflects a culture of burying the dead in wooden caskets.
This concept of Eco-Jeneza, its time has come. It has been used elsewhere. It has embraced in Southern Africa. It has been used very well in European countries. South America, it has worked very well. And why not? It should also work for us.
In support of the green cause, family and relatives can bury their loved ones weighing less than 120 kilograms in an Eco-Jeneza that are currently available at Lee Funeral Home, the Jomo Kenyatta University and the East African packaging industry. Salim Bilu for EcoScan.